If you get really close to that bank, you might catch that fish. Man, dude, man. I've missed way.
Oh my gosh, it's big. Big.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
Help me. Help me, bro.
Pull in. Heck yeah, dude. Yeah, let me get a picture. Go. I might have to switch. There you go. Number 2. They are. They're all fat. They're like short and stubby bass. Like. Man, we've missed a lot so far too. That's a fish. Make sure he has it. There we go. Ooh. That's okay. Oh wow. That's how almost all of them will get hooked. Just like that. They almost all eat it the same. That one. The only thing is I fished it last night, so I don't know how good it'll be today. I didn't get any big ones though, so there's always that possibility. You got one? Oh yeah. Yeah. He's in. Oh, yeah.
How big do you think that is? 4, 3?
That's probably a 2.5, 3 in there.
I took that.
He can't, I've never caught something right off of that bank either. Dude, that's awesome. Look how fat he is.
I know.
Yeah, it's the only thing about nets I don't like.
I know.
Is they catch good stuff, dude. Oh heck yeah, dude. Dude, it's sick. It's all good. It's all good. Dang it, dude.
I went to get him and he went back under and I fell back.
Ah. That sucks. Now we both lost big fish.
That was about a 4-pounder.
Yeah, that was about 4. He wasn't huge, but he was good.
Oh, that was a nice fish.
I think I have a fish. Yep.
Good?
Oh. Nope. See, they fight hard. Compared to in there, they fight a lot harder. This one's a decent one.
Did you ever catch anything by that fountain?
Yep, that's on the left side of that fountain. Gosh, she was not coming off. Why couldn't I have hooked that big one like this? That's a 1, if that. I think I have some white left over from the other day.
Oh my! Gone. Snapped off. Broke my line. Gone.
Was it a good one? Was it a good one?
Yes, it was a good one. Oh, it's a good one.
Is it? Okay. Okay, yeah, it's a good one. Here. And that. Hold on. Don't horse him.
He's hooked good.
Yeah. Yeah. Here, let me get that hook hooked up. Ooh, that's a good fish, dude.
Yeah.
He's a solid 3, maybe a little more. Oh yeah. Look at that. That's a good. That's a 3 for sure. All day.
Yeah. I wanna weigh this guy.
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh yeah.
Oh, this is kilograms. Well, no wonder it's telling you 1.1.
Oh, no, it was 99.
I don't know how to change it. There we go. We're on pounds now. There you go. Yep. Here, let me take a picture first. I told you, these guys are fighters. Okay, there we go. Let's weigh him right here. We're on pounds, so you can weigh him. He's a 3. He's a 3. He might be a little under or a little over. I can't really tell. You caught him on the white one?
Yeah.
Oh boy, you're gonna make me switch. What's it saying? 4? He's a 4? Heck yeah, dude!
He's a 4.
Awesome, man. He's got a belly on him, that's for sure.
Yeah, it said 314.
That's a 4. Yeah. Heck yeah. Sweet, dude. Man, dude, man. I've missed way.
Oh my gosh, it's big.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
Help me, bro. Help me.
Bring, hey. No, you gotta go up.
I'm trying.
Dude. Okay, hold on. Come this way. Come this way. Oh, yes! Yes, dude! Heck yeah!
Let's go!
Oh! Oh my gosh! Yes, dude!
Holy crap!
Okay. Oh, dude, that's a huge fish!
Oh my god!
Okay.
Look!
Oh, okay.
Don't jump out. I will freaking.
Oh, that's a tank, dude.
Dude!
Alright, it's on pound. Now just weigh it, yep.
This is crazy big.
Dude, that's awesome, man.
Five.
He's 5?
5.
Uh,
Picture this boy.
Alright, look at it. Here, hold him up like that. Oh yeah, like that. One more. Here, hold him like you had him before. Dude, heck yeah! Gosh, that's a tank.
You got that on video?
Yeah, I got it all on video, bro. This is the release. There she goes. Dude, right here. Heck yeah, dude. Heck yeah.